Hey, if your Dyson V12 isn't performing like it used to, there's a good chance the filter is the problem. In this video, I'll show you two ways to clean it. A quick dry method if you're in a rush, and a deep wash method using something you already have at home. Let's get into it. So full disclosure, I haven't cleaned this filter in over 3 years. And yeah, it's bad. Just look at all that dirt buildup. I also used this in a fog machine filtration test for another video. So there's even more grime and residue in here than usual. If you want to see that long-term review, make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting that soon. First, just twist and pull the filter out. You can also empty the dustbin at this point. Totally optional, but it makes things a bit cleaner. If you need a quick fix, grab a piece of tissue, wipe off the outer layer of dirt, especially this part here, which usually gets the dirtiest. This works fine for light dust, but if your filter looks anything like mine, it's not going to cut it. This is the method I recommend. Dyson says to rinse it under running water, which works, but only if the filter isn't too dirty. For heavily clogged filters, water alone isn't enough. So here's the trick. Use a toothbrush. It's simple, cheap, and it makes a huge difference. Gently scrub the surface while rinsing underwater. You'll start to see all that caked on dirt loosen up and wash away. Keep going until the water runs clear. You can also lightly scrub the inner walls, even the HEPA section, that pleated paper part right here. Now technically, you don't have to wash the HEPA section since most of the dirt builds up on the outer filter. So if you want faster drying time, you can just clean the outer part. Once you're done, let the filter dry for at least 24 hours. No shortcuts here. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it back in. If it's still damp, you risk damaging the motor. And that's it. Clean filter equals better airflow, better performance, and a vacuum that actually works like it should.